Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.1 question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Let us solve this problem. Here you see that perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to perimeter is equal to 320 meter. 320 meter. And we know that perimeter of a square perimeter of a square is equal to 4L. L is the length of the square, and that becomes 320. 4L is equal to 320. Then we can say that L is equal to 320 meter. 320 meter by 4, and that comes to 4 is 32, 80 meter. That means the side, suppose this is a square, right, and each side is 80 meter. This is 80 meter, this is 80 meter, this is also 80 meter, and this is also 80 meter. We have to find the area of the square park. We know that area of a square is equal to area of a square is equal to side into side, or L square, side into side. Therefore we are getting side is 80 meter into 80 meter, or you can say if we multiply both, it is 64 and 0 0. This is 0, this is 0 meter square, right? Therefore area of the square park, area of the square park is equal to 6400 meter square. This is the answer, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.